How to deactivate Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to deactivate Facebook account. So let's begin. First, make sure that your Facebook app is up to date. If not, go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Facebook app. Once you have done that, simply open Facebook. Go to menu found on the lower right corner of the screen if you are using iPhone or on the upper right of the screen if you are using Android. And then scroll down and look for settings and privacy. And then click on settings. Wait for it to load. And right here, simply choose the very first option, which is personal and account information. So click on personal and account information. Choose Account Ownership and Control, wait for it to load, and click on Deactivation and Deletion. So if you want to deactivate your account, simply choose the very first option, or if you want to delete your account, then choose the second option. Since you want to delete deactivate your account, simply click on the first option and continue to account deactivation. So click on it, and then right here, type in your password. And once you have typed in your password, simply follow the steps needed and click on continue. And do take note that your account will be automatically reactivated on a specific time. So you just simply read the steps indicated by Facebook, and then you may reactivate your account as well if you sign in again on Facebook. So that's it. That's how you can deactivate account on Facebook. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.